What is going on, my G's? So after a few days of having this problem that I'm about to show you right now, my wife finally told me that she's had enough, that I cannot keep going with this anymore, and I completely understand her. I mean, we have a pretty bad problem right now with all of the cars that are, because we have the garages full, obviously. We have these cars, the G-Wagon, and now Ivan's car is back. So that's right, we got Ivan's car back. So my wife was like, you need to get rid of this, you need to put it somewhere else. I don't want to pay for storage for this car because at this point, Ivan, how much you think your car's worth right now?
Like $3,000.
According to Ivan, it has appreciated.
It never was worth $3,000 ever. It never was worth $3,000.
But it's missing seats and stuff, you know?
Perfect summer cruiser.
So either way,
what? I want to take this airbag off. It's worth way more than the car.
So what we need to do right now is just come up with what we're gonna do to this car so we can get rid of it. Because I can't have it anymore before Belen fucking kills me. So that's gonna be today's adventure, guys. Get rid of one of our problems. Oh. And the first thing we're doing right now is we just need to move the car. We can't drive it. We had it towed into our house, obviously, because all of the pieces around the car, there's no airbags, number one. Number two, all of the pieces around the car that are metal are sharp as shit. So if we get into an accident by any chance,
decapitation.
Which, God forbid, yeah, decapitation is like on cue for it.
And there might be loop screws and stuff all over. It's just too dangerous to
I'm not fucking driving anything that looks like, also dude, there's chairs on the car instead of car seats. So I'm not gonna do that.
Chairs, I forgot about.
So the first thing we need to do is just move the car.
So how are you gonna move this thing?
So Buddy has already
I have no idea. No. I don't know how this happened, but Farshad was put in charge of transportation.
Yeah.
So he did something with U-Haul. And by the way, U-Haul has a really, really nice website to book reservations.
Yes.
But Farshad's an old school guy. He called him up by phone. He talked to customer
White
service
people are just like Yelp. They gotta review the service that they're talking about on camera.
Buddy. We've changed this reservation 18,000 times.
That we have.
But you can do that online.
I understand. But when you call someone and you go, oh, I'm sorry, we had an emergency, can you help me out? They're more inclined to help you than the algorithms of the 1 and O's and the 1 and O's.
I don't think that has algorithms, but okay, the first thing is we're gonna go get a trailer, Ivan,
But
to
that's the
answer
thing.
your...
But that's the thing is we don't know what kind of trailer. It could either be the 2-wheel kind,
No,
where
we need
you
a
just
full.
prop up. But this one I hope is a flatbed.
And you have something to tow on your, you have the hinge, right?
So I have the trailer package.
Okay.
We need a tow ball, which that is like $15 for a cheap one there.
Farshad's paying for it.
I still...
Okay, so no, we don't want that one. We want one of these.
You want the one next to it.
That's too small.
Next to it over there.
Okay.
See the one where it says speed limit?
I'm still very worried. So if you're outside of the US, U-Haul, I hope you guys know what U-Haul is, but it's a transportation company and they facilitate vehicles for you to move from one place to another or move a ton of stuff, right?
It's great for breakups, divorce,
Getting fired, when you get fired, when you go broke and you're getting kicked out of your house. All of those things. No, it's actually a fucking incredible service. Everyone uses it here. But he thinks that Farshad's actually doing something. He goes, hey, Farshad's gonna get the ball rolling.
No,
Farshad's on
him.
fucking Instagram, dude.
I told him to get out, go get it started while I park, and he's just standing there. Farshad, I told you, go inside and get the thing rolling.
And for those of you like me who don't know, the little something's gonna come out of here. We're gonna put that in there and then we're gonna strap that thing into that. And I hope that makes sense. And if not, you guys will see it right now. That thing right there is to move all of the trailers. So they just plug it in and pick up the trailers with those wheels that look like airplane wheels. Crazy.
So here's the thing, with the Expedition and with the Navigator, the tow package, they have a trailer assist package that's built into it, and they give you these little strips. Let me show you.
You have them?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So we're gonna show everyone how to do this right. So the worst case scenario in this video, guys, is you'll learn how to do this.
Or not.
So,
or maybe not.
So I know how to back up a trailer. I've done this my whole life. But they have this trailer backup assist program that they have built in where you take these stickers and you put the stickers on the trailer, like in certain locations, and your cameras read these stickers and the location of where the trailer is in coordination with the vehicle, and it backs it up for you.
Wow.
What? You're making the most of it.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm just gonna trust everything that you're saying is truth, and I'm gonna go with it because this is your car.
You just do it right here, top view, side view, however it's set up.
Not responsible for this. But he's dressed up properly Holy goddamn, Ivan, do you need any more layers?
Come on, look at this guy.
Feel this?
That's literally all it is? That's a heavy ball? And it's a single ball?
Single ball.
For your package?
He only needs one ball?
Yes, for his package.
Who would have thought?
By the way, we were making those jokes, and the girl that works here, I just feel so bad. She was like, oh, and ran the fuck away. I'm sorry. So yeah, the full car's there, but there's not a cage around it. Are you sure the car will fit here? Yeah, absolutely.
By the way, I'm riding in the car. I'm riding in the...
No. Did you not hear anything that I said? Decapitation. Here comes fucking Goliath. Holy shit. By the way, buddy, I had it. I had that.
That's the man.
It doesn't look as effortless. There he goes again. Holy shit. But are you sure you can't just tow the car yourself? How do we get the car on this one though?
Oh, Buddy picks it up. Buddy will just pick it up.
Do we have to crash the car or like find a place where this is... Oh, no. You can pull these out. Hey, I think it's gonna work out. Oh, so they plugged in the car and they're gonna try the blinkers now. You guys see that plug, the yellow one here? Hang on. This goes into the car.
Okay.
And now we're checking the blinkers. Hang on.
Right blinker.
Oh yeah, it works.
Brake.
Brakes, yeah.
Look, made in Mexico.
Arriba. So, Farghini, while we were inside, figured out like the easiest and cheapest thing to do because at this time I'm bleeding, Ivan. I'm bleeding money because of your car.
You're $250 down.
Hang on. How much did I pay you for the car?
$2,000.
They offered you $1,500 at
offered me
CarMax,
$1,500.
and I gave you $2,000.
You gave me $2,000,
So I'm already $500 underwater at current value, right?
Okay.
Then I got a tow truck to come all the way over here, $205.
Yeah.
What about the salsa?
Super Sawzall.
Super salsa?
No, not Super Salsa.
Super what?
Sawzall. It saws all.
Salsa.
That
That was like
200.
That was like 200. That was like $200.
Yeah. This tow truck.
This was $100 and something.
Oh, okay.
And now we're gonna crush the car and get it.
But they pay you. They pay you to crush the car.
So I called and there's a place, right? I don't know what it is, but you go and they weigh it, and then they weigh it again, and then they pay you based on how many tons of metal there is. But they're gonna pay us.
What's your guess? How much money are we gonna get paid?
$120.
Oh my God, no! Are we really?
I'm gonna say 500.
Okay, thank you, Ivan.
buddy.
Ivan, you're just being nice. I know you, motherfucker.
500?
Aluminum tariffs.
I'm
What do you think, buddy?
$73.
I'm trying to explain to him there's no aluminum in his Scion. He's like,
The thing's all aluminum.
no, it's not.
The aluminum tariffs are gonna make that car super valuable.
There's no aluminum in your car.
I'm telling you.
You're just
gonna
getting
put the
cocky
tip in
right
it?
now. He's just gonna back it up into the driveway, guys, so he can pick up the sign. I told him, why don't we just go and do it outside of the house? He's like, I can do it. Hopefully he won't hit any of the other cars here. Oh my God. Boop, 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 boop. This motherfucker, even the look in his eye, he's like,
By the way, we're either gonna tow the Scion out or just his car.
or just his car. Damn, buddy.
Be honest, could you have done this?
Farshad, not in a fucking million years.
I couldn't even done it with the automatic, like whatever thingy.
Not even with 8 people helping me out. And while Buddy gets his ego stroked, Farshad, we need to find the key to this fucking car.
Are you serious?
I swear to God.
I'll jump it. I'll do like little.
You don't know how to jump anything. So we have the title, but we don't have the keys. And these just came in, Farghini. Shall we? Let's please do it. So we ordered 3 of these. One's Rodrigo's. So I think while Ivan and Buddy just die from heat, we're just gonna open these. Just open that and see which one. Ooh! Yours! That's right, Farghini.
My first bespoke anything.
You like that? Look at, oh man.
By the way, we also learned these called comforters.
That's what they are, comforters. Yep. So we ordered these for ourselves. That's right. So we're gonna make 25 of these, right, Farghini? That's what we said.
It's got your signature. Like
That's right, your signature and then everyone's name. We're gonna sell 25 of these on the website. They're probably available right now already at shopsalomondrin.com. Go check them out. If you want one, we'll send us an email too or a note with your name to see what you want in there.
Yeah, they'll be sequentially numbered, and we'll put your name on it. And don't ask me to get certain number ones.
Yes, no, we cannot give you a certain number, but
Except,
we will
well,
give
except
you.
if you pay more, you get number. You get number 2.
But these don't exist. These are prototypes. So it's gonna be 25 plus ours, which is gonna be everyone here in the office. Just so you all know. And I'm sorry, buddy, that you were outside dying of heat. Yeah, it's just not here.
Oh.
Is that it? No, that's not it.
What is this? No, that's not it.
Nope. What about this? Nope, that's not it. Ah, calm the fuck down, Patrick Swayze. I don't know why Patrick Swayze.
I was just unhooking all the chains and the straps, and my hands were black after it, and I was like, nah, this is gonna be.
Hey, those look really nice. It'll be my honor to back this out of the way.
No, you're driving it on the trailer, mate.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, you're doing.
That's easy.
Small enough to fit in here.
This was Ivan's car.
Seats don't adjust anymore.
Done. Okay, hang on, Farghini. JDM, baby.
Use your backup cameras.
Sorry, boy.
Hey, you gotta make whistle sounds as you go up too. So you're the only guy that has to park his own cars and make his own whistles.
I can't do both.
Look to your left. Okay, keep going.
Just, Alejandro, just listen to the white guys.
Start turning to your left, just a smidge. Keep coming.
I'm coming.
Flip this way. I gotta get you over this hump. Keep coming.
Keep coming over the hump.
Right there, that's good. Whoa. Put on your emergency brake and you're good.
My mom would be so proud if she knew that I was able to do this. She doesn't, though. Now, this is another one that seems a little important. Hey, why are you so happy that we're getting rid of the car? And why is there a dick drawn on it?
I mean, it seems appropriate.
Yeah.
Just had to come here and see this car that I used to bang in every day. So
It became a problem?
it was becoming an issue. Just bringing up like stories and stuff. So I'm super stoked to crush this thing.
All right, well.
Justice for you.
Buddy, the Trailer Guy, starring Buddy Wyrick, with special guest appearances of Buddy Wyrick. That's right, and more Buddy Wyrick. And if you don't have enough of him yet, yeah, there's more.
Do you think we're good to go?
Here, let's hear it. Let's just see.
I think we're good. We all know you're not that strong, Farshot. Buddy, give it a shot. Oh man, now I've seen Buddy plowing. That's tough stuff right there.
Oh, that's what cum smells like?
You know what it smells like.
And what he tastes like. Farghini's good.
I'm good.
You're good? Why does he keep doing that fucking pose? All right, Farghini, we gotta hurry the fuck up. We have like 40 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Come on. We gotta make it, dude. I can't bring this car back to Belen. By the way, guys, we found out that this was open until 5, and it's 4:20. Look at it, 4:20 right now. So,
It's 420?
yes, we're close, right, buddy?
Well, that's good news.
It's right up here, I believe. We gotta cross the train tracks.
All right, all right. That sounds terrible.
What side of the train tracks are we right now?
Yeah, on the bad one, trust me. Farghini's gonna go negotiate right now, guys. So that means let's hope that he does not fuck up this deal somehow, and we cannot give him the car. What are your guesses, guys? How much money we're gonna get, Ivan?
500.
500, buddy.
$78.
I'm gonna go $107 because I'm optimistic.
So that right thing is a huge scale.
Okay.
So they weigh it twice. So I think we're just gonna literally pull up with everything on it. They're gonna weigh it, and then they're gonna remove it, and then weigh that, and then I don't know.
Okay.
Or something like that.
Okay.
I'm not really sure what's going
Sounds
on.
very informative, Farshad, like always.
Oh my god.
We get paid in cash also.
Okay.
Cash.
What's the process like?
I have no idea.
Buddy?
By the way, right now with Farshad on the scale, we weigh 11,100. Step off the scale. Step off the scale. 10,860.
You get more money, right?
Damn it, Farshad, you screwed it up. So they're gonna measure, they're weighing us right now, and then we're gonna drop off the car right there, and they're gonna weigh us on the way out. And the difference in weight, that's gonna be obviously how much metal we're giving them, and they're gonna cut us a check. They're actually gonna pay us cash right now. It's fucking rich ass people, huh? Cash money for raspados. This is what we do for content, people. In the name of content! Ah!
That was incredibly great.
Look at the dick. By the way, I'm sitting on a ton of stuff that's Buddy's. And it feels important. Look at Buddy. He's in his fucking element. Look at Farghini negotiate over there. Okay, so we gotta drive off the car, and I'm too far back here. Yeah.
Just a heads up. So we're gonna drive it off.
Yeah.
And then he promised me he'll pick it up. He'll pick it up on the.
Okay. He got it out in one shot. Bye-bye, Ivan's car. You were a pain in the ass to deal with, and a massive loss of money. Oh boy. Oh, he's got it. This fucking dude's got it. Yeah, he's staying there. Oh. Farshad's celebrating. Farghini, you need to get out of the car. They're gonna weigh us with you on right now.
Hold on.
Now get out and tell her that you were out. No cheating, right? All right, so Farghini's collecting the money now. We're driving out of here. They're gonna dump this one right now. And Farghini's gonna come with the cash. We're gonna see how much money we have, and that's that.
Thank God.
Yeah.
It feels good.
Feels good? Like a weight lifted off your shoulder?
A huge weight.
You have no idea for me. If I brought that car today back to Belen, I would have died.
Hey, the cum stains in that car, it increased the weight, so you got more cash because of the love that I put in that car.
That's awful. What do you
I
got?
already see I lost.
Cash money, bitches.
Oh!
Look at that.
164? 3? Almost 164.
Ah.
Yeah!
And the way you get the money is fast. Like a barcode, you go to the ATM, you scan it, and the money comes out like exactly.
That's incredible.
So the trailer and my gas today is paid for.
And Raspados.
Fuck everyone going to CarMax to get, oh, let me see how much my car's worth. You want to know how much your fucking car's worth? Right here, baby. Right here, Ivan. 163.
Hey, we gotta start bringing some SUVs here so we can make some more money.